Hi, and welcome to Reflections of You, where we create cards to spread joy to others. And today we're looking at the Simple Stories kit, Fresh Air. I really always wanted to try one of these kits. I thought they were absolutely adorable. One of the things I really wanted to make in this kit was the chicken card. I thought the chicken card was really cute, and I was like, well, I'm just want to really try one of these kits. So let's see what's inside the kit so you can see the pieces. So here are the instructions. And next is chipboard. This chipboard is very light and kind of flimsy, you can tell. This is good because it's going to go through the mail. It shouldn't be as strong as the chipboard that you'd use in a scrapbook layout. It has several cards that are pre-cut and ready just to be folded. It has several sheets of paper that you just punch out the paper that goes with the card as well as the embellishments that go with the card. We have 2 sheets of that also. So this is what is contained in the kit. Now I started to make the cards and I'm going to show you what happened. I'm very frustrated with this kit already, and I'm going to tell you why. First of all, the instructions don't match. Second of all, it doesn't even have all the elements that go on a card. So it is missing this flower. And if you can see this, there is no flower like that matches that orange flower on the whole thing. Now, I guess you could use this pink flower here. So I'll use this pink flower. I don't know if it goes to something else, but it does not match that orange flower. It's just basically putting down paper. This might be great for a child, but this is aggravating. So that's not, even these flowers are not present in the same manner. They don't even look the same. And they're not on any of these other card things or on this chipboard. Now next, the other thing that's frustrating is we have You Are the Sunshine. But this little banner here and this On a Cloudy Day are not in the kit. So you have this, and again, you can see there is not In a Cloudy Day on here or in here, on this sheet, or on this sheet that has Just Be You, You're the Best, Thinking of You, Sending Love, Lots of Love. So that is not in the kit. And you can also see it's not on here. So that's frustrating. So I don't even have a card all the way I want to. Here is the Thinking of You card that has the butterflies and a bouquet of flowers. Well, wonderful. But tell me, on the card, there is no butterflies. There is no butterflies on this. There are no butterflies here. And no butterflies on this pack. And then this pack here, there are no butterflies. And if we really look at this, this is supposed to have 3 chickens. And I don't think I have 3 chickens. No, I don't. I only have 2 chickens. And I bought this because of the chickens. So, no, I don't recommend buying this. This is a waste of time, a waste of money. And I don't even have that little house. I don't have the house to make that card. I don't have the bicycle to make that card. Yeah, I don't. I have the bird for this card and one of the flowers. Let's see if I have this little note to say hello. I don't have a little note to say hello on here. Oh, yeah, I do. I'm sorry. I do have that. That's right there. I have one of the big flowers and him, the bird. But I don't have the other flower that goes up here. So I'm very frustrated with this kit. I basically showed you the kit. I started to make the cards. And now I feel like I've just been robbed of my money for the kit. So I suggest not getting the Simple Stories card kit. You just get kind of duped. And if you do get it, then I think it would be great for a small child to put together because there's no challenge to it except for the fact the parts are missing. Thanks for stopping by. I hope this helps. Give it a thumbs up if you like it and consider subscribing. See you next time.